Going to Scotchman 176-ton hydraulic press. The press has a movable piston cylinder, so you can move it anywhere along the length of the platform to bend a part you need. The machine comes with the V-blocks, so like we're showing today, straightening out a pipe that's been bent. So I'll pull this back into the middle position, lock it in place. Secure the ram into the position, and we'll go ahead and fire it up. Firing it up, there is two different speeds. Here we're showing the fast speed. You can bring it into position. When you get close, you can drop it back into low speed. Gives you more control over bending your product. There we're going to straighten out this pipe. You go ahead and bring it down, torque with pipe. Straightening, you usually have a little bit of spring back, so we'll try to overbend it a little bit. Another way, if you really need precise bending, we can shut the machine off. Here we show a valve that I can pull the valve and then actually hand pump the pressure versus hydraulically pressure. Go ahead and fire it back up. I'll reverse it. We're still at slow speed. Again, you can move it. You got to put a part in, you get out of the way.